how are you all doing? So guys, next week is Arthur's 3rd birthday. So usually every year we celebrate his birthday in school. So this time also we're going to celebrate his birthday in school. So there are certain preparations that we need to do. We need to get some goodie bags for him. We need to go to order a cake for him and some refreshments for the kids. In his class there are around about like 10 kids. So we're going to make a preparation for 10 kids. We need to go and buy some good goodie bags for them and order cake for them and some refreshments for them. So for this you need to stay with us and watch the video till the end.
So guys, as you can see that the weather is very beautiful. It's raining since morning. So this is the beautiful weather that we are witnessing right now. It's looking so beautiful.
So guys, our first stop is in Aga Khan right now. We are going to Aga Khan. We have a small work there, so we are going and we are about to reach. Okay guys, so we are come here to Aga Khan. So we are finding a parking. Okay, so our work at Aga Khan got finished. So now we are going to buy goodie bags. Actually, we had a lot of shops in our mind, but we actually visited earlier to many shops to buy a good item as a goodie bag to give on Arthur's birthday to the kids in his class, but we couldn't find anything good. So somebody has suggested us that you should go to Bacha Party, and there you will find all kids item, and there you can just pick good things which you can put it in the goodie bag to give to the kids on Arthur's birthday. So we are come here to Bacha Party. Now let's see that what things we find for the kids, because we usually come to Bacha Party, and yes, it's true that there are a lot of items here for the kids which you can gift them on their birthday or which you can use them for goodie bags, so now let's see, we will see like what things we can pick for the kids, because here when we reached there were a lot of good things for the kids. So we wanting to buy something for the kids like who are like 3 years old, because obviously there are certain items here which basically is for the older kids. So we want to keep that thing in mind that the kids in his class, they are between 3 to 3.5 years old. So for that reason we had to buy something very good which fascinates the younger kids a lot. So we picked up some mug. We picked up mugs, this kind of mugs. I'm sure that the kids, they're going to like it, because first thing when Arthur entered and when he saw these mugs, he was like totally gone crazy. So we just thought if Arthur likes something like this, so even in his class also there'll be a lot of kids liking it. So after that we are come here to Pie in the Sky to order cake and some refreshment for the kids on his birthday. So when we reached here, Arthur wanting to buy some donuts for himself, so we bought donuts for him. So after picking up donuts for him, we ordered the refreshments which we are going to give on Arthur's birthday to the kids. And after that my husband just said that let's go for a drive. So then we went for a short drive, and also after the short drive then we are heading home right now. So let's end up this video right here. So guys, I hope you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that in future you can get more and more videos like this. After this we will be uploading most probably Arthur's birthday is next week, so we will be uploading his birthday video as well. So for this you need to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button, and do please share and like. I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.